Hey snowmobilers, what if you have an Arctic Cat G8 display by Garmin, but there's no maps for your riding area? Or what if you already have Garmin compatible maps on another GPS that you'd like to transfer to your G8? Today we're going to go over that. I'm going to show you how to put the maps on your G8, and then I'm going to show you how to change from the Garmin default maps over to your custom maps, whatever they are. Let's get into it. All right, so the first thing we need to do is install the micro SD card. Now I happen to have a micro SD card right here. This one is from VV Mapping, but there are a lot of these around depending on the area of the country or really the area of the world. You might have your own maps, so you need to be able to insert this into the display. Now I took the hood off of the snowmobile because you really need to get underneath it. There's no spot here where you can install a micro SD card. You have to get in behind the display. So in order to do that, we're going to tip the hood upside down. And I've got it on a carpet here so that I don't scratch my windshield. So we got to get the spare belt out. And then we have to get the display out. Micro SD card slot is actually in the side. And if a guy knew where he was looking and knew how to get in there with your fingers, you might be able to reach in there. Open. All right, to be honest, this is not an easy task. I had to pull the display out. 2 screws, then these top tabs are kind of tricky because you can't tilt it. It needs to be tilted back a little bit. This module right here is kind of in the way. It interferes with that, so you can't tilt it back quite far enough to be able to pull it out. And so it took some effort to get that out. Now you can see what I'm talking about. There's this door here, this little access door. And you open that door and there's 2 slots. There's looks like maybe a USB connection here, USB-C, and then there's a slot for a card. And the card goes in, so face up, the card goes in, name up. You put that in there like that, and then you close your access door. So now I just need to put the thing back together, and then I'll turn it on. All right, here I am on my computer, and this is the other way that you can install maps on your G8. Now, in many cases with a Garmin GPS, you will have, when you plug that into your computer, it will show up as another drive, as an external drive. But with the G8, it does not. The newer Garmins do not show up that way. So if you have, it would be easy if you had, if it showed up as a drive, well, then you could just drag and drop maps, and I've done that, over to your Garmin GPS, and it would install it, and then you could go from there. But in this case, you can't do that. What you need instead, and it doesn't work from Basecamp either. So you can use Basecamp to control your maps, to set up adventures and waypoints and points of interest and things like that. You can use Basecamp for that. And you definitely want to download and install Garmin Basecamp on your computer. Now we're looking at the, in case it looks different, we're looking at the Mac version of Basecamp, but Windows version, Mac version, doesn't matter. The functionality is basically the same. But you also need to install something called the Garmin Map Install. Now this is not available as an app. So if you're used to, like for instance, the Apple App Store, you won't find Map Install on the App Store. You're going to find Basecamp, but you're not going to find Map Install. The Map Install is available as a download from Garmin. So Google Garmin Map Install, one word, M-A-P install, one word, and you will come up with the download for that. So you want to download and install that, and then you'll see here now I've got my VV Mapping snowmobile maps already installed. Okay, they're already installed here. That's because I installed them into Basecamp. So that it's same thing. But now what we can do is we can send those maps over to the G8 from here. Now in this case, so it says here, the following map products can be installed to your G8. See the Tread side-by-side OEM with Canada or whatever is the G8. Okay, so we could install that. There is a send maps down here in the bottom, and all I would do is, so you select the map, send maps, and it will automatically install it on your G8. In this case, I've already done that. So it's coming back and it's saying, well, the maps haven't changed, so we're not going to upload anything. Okay. So in this case, I don't have to worry about it, but I wanted to show you how it works if you're not going to use the micro SD card, if you're going to upload it directly from your computer to the G8. There is a trick to it, and you need to use Map Install to do it. Garmin Map Install is available as a download from Garmin. So you want to do that, okay? So now once we've done this, once we've installed the VV mapping, then how do you get it to display on the G8? And that's what we're going to do next. All right, so it doesn't matter how you get the maps to the G8, as long as, once you've installed the maps, now you need to basically enable the maps. And here I am in my blacked out room so that you can see the screen better and there's less glare. So in order to, look at we've got the maps here, but we need to go to settings. And the first thing we're going to do is go to the map display and driving map view. Now I like to have the track up. I think the default is 3D maps. I don't particularly care for that. I like the track up option. So I change that here and hit save. And then we go to map detail. And here we want to change this. The default is normal. We want to change that to more so that we get maximum amount of detail. We get all the points of interest, all the rest stops, and all the information that comes with the snowmobile trail maps that you bought. You want to make sure you get all that, so you click more there, hit save. And then we go all the way to the bottom. And at the bottom there's this thing called Map Manager. Sometimes, depending on the version of the system, the G8 system, this might say My Maps, but here it says Map Manager. Check on that. And we go to Manage Device Maps. And here all of the maps are going to be checked. We want to uncheck them all except for the one that we want. So in this case, the VV map is the one that I installed, and that's the one that's right here. The rest of the map options here are unchecked. There's no save option here. What you do is you go back, and then you just keep backing out. Back, back, and now we're back to the home screen. And if we go to the map, now we can see what that's going to look like. This is a much cleaner map screen than it was before. Here happens to be the snowmobile trail. This orange-red trail is the snowmobile trail. And that looks really good. I'm really happy with this. Now, once you're at this screen, now you can see that I backed out and I'm panning around. And when you start riding again, it's going to stay in this spot. So what you got to do when you're riding is you want to, anytime you move the map around, zoom in, zoom out, whatever, you always want to go back, and that returns you to the vehicle, your vehicle icon, and then it will follow you wherever you go. All right, that's pretty cool, right? Hey, thanks for watching. And this winter, I hope I see you on the trail.